In Defiance, cloudy at 64. In Columbus, partly sunny at 65. Over northeast Ohio, Cleveland, cloudy at 64. In northwest Ohio, partly sunny at 61. Once again at 11 a.m. Atlanta, clouds and sunny clouds skies. Forecast of the winds 55 miles an hour from the south. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXJ-93 Crydersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Hardin, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ-93 Crydersville, Ohio. Here are the 11 a.m. Partly sunny at 64. Partly sunny at 64. Infinitely cloudy at 64. At Van Wert, cloudy at 59. In Defiance, cloudy at 64. In Columbus, partly sunny at 65. Over northeast Ohio, Cleveland, cloudy at 64. And in Indiana and Fort Wayne, partly sunny at 61. Once again at 11 a.m. at the Lima Allen County Airport, it was 60 degrees under cloudy skies. This is no weather. All hazards radio station WXJ-93, Clydersville, Ohio, the voice of the National Weather Service. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz and serving West Central Ohio. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office at Wilmington, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A surface cooler air will be observed today in the most of cold sun. After areas of clouds in the morning slowly break up, a long period of dry and sunny weather is expected through the Labor Day weekend. Temperatures will remain seasonable through the work week, and then will begin warming more significantly during the long holiday weekend. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. West of today, cloudy, then becoming partly cloudy early this afternoon, then becoming mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Unseasonably cold lows in the upper 40s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday,